सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे YouTube चैनल को और बेल आइकन को भी दबा दीजिए ताकि हमारे वीडियोस आप तक सबसे पहले मिलते रहे। Hello friends, welcome to the 68 number video. This video topic will be a difference between TC, HMC and VMC machines. So if you know that TC means turning center, HMC means horizontal machining center and VMC means vertical machining center. This video we have already covered this video in Hindi language for the people who know the Hindi, okay. But this video is for those people who do not know Hindi. If you want, if you already watched this video in Hindi language, then you can just skip it for save your time. Okay friends, so we will go ahead. Okay, so we will discuss here about the TC, HMC and VMC. Okay, how these types are made and what purpose these types are made. Okay, so we can see here TC. Okay, TC means turning center. Okay, as you can see here, there is one chuck like drill holder. Okay, this is a chuck with minimum diameter of 250 mm height, I think, and these chucks are vary according to machine capacity. Okay, also RPM, and this is a job, whatever rotating jobs or shafts. Okay, the material is hold inside this chuck, and this material these shafts are rotating always. Okay, and as you can see here, this is your tool turret. Actually this turret is from this side in turning centers, but I'm just shown here in this side, okay, for visualization because I don't have a space there. Okay, so maybe you can see here this insert can turn the part easily, and the parts is rotating always in turning center. Okay, the purpose of turning center is to turn the round parts only. Okay, as I already write here, the round parts are used in turning center. Okay, then second one is HMC. I will also show you some images of turning center maybe later on. Okay, so HMC means horizontal machining center. Okay, so these two types of machine are used for milling purpose. Okay, HMC and VMC, and this type of TC is used for turning purpose. Okay, turning the job means the job is rotating and we just turn it, okay, by these inserts. Normally the inserts type tools are used in turning centers. Okay, now we move to the HMC. Okay, HMC means horizontal means your spindle, this spindle having a tool is horizontal to the ground. Okay, this is a ground. Okay, and this spindle is horizontal to the ground, means maybe you can see like this, the spindle is horizontal. Okay, and this is a pallet wherever your fixture is clamped or mounted, and we can machine four sides because this axis is movable. Okay, here having a x axis, y axis is vertical and z axis is along, and this b axis is rotating. This pallet is also rotating, means maybe I can show you like this. This is a tablet and this is rotating. Okay, like this. Maybe this is a tombstone type fixtures which is used in HMC. So always operator is that in this side, that side. Okay, and maybe you can see plus minus sign, you can just find out on Google. Maybe I will also explain you. This minus will be that side and plus will be that side. Z plus will be this side and Z minus is near to the spindle. Okay, y will be upper side plus and downside minus. Okay, so this is a geometry of HMC. HMC generally used for the heavy jobs. Okay, and if you want to do a four-phase machining, normally four-phase machining, so you can just prepare the HMC machine. Okay, here you can do the turning operations only for turn the jobs, means here round jobs. Whatever other than round jobs you can do it on HMC or VMC. But what is the main difference between HMC and VMC? VMC can access only one phase. Okay, and HMC can access a four phase because this pallet is rotating. Okay, so there is a one more axis. This is two axis, and this one is four axis machine. Okay, now move to the VMC. VMC normally having a three axis. Like you can see here, this is a spindle. Spindle is always vertical. Okay, and the tool is mounted inside the spindle, and the spindle is vertical. Okay, so this is a job, and this is pallet. You can see here the X moment, plus side, this is a operator position, always in front of machine. Okay, this is X plus, X minus, this is Y, Y plus, Y minus, and this is Z. The spindle will move up and down, plus side, upper side, and down side is minus side, and this is the component. Okay, so here you can access only one face. Okay, you cannot do the machining operations by side, this side, but in HMC you can do all four sides. Maybe I can show you some images to you. Okay, how is the construction of machine. Okay, so this is VMC machine. Maybe I will show you one by one. This one is a turning machine. Okay, turning center. As you can see here, this is a job, this one is a job, is rotating on C axis. Okay, and this is a turret which is there's this side. I'm showing this side, but the turret is always that side. Okay, it's having a number of tools, grooving tools, then turning tools, and then some boring tools are also there. Okay, so this is C axis, this is a job, and these are the cutting tools. Okay, so this type of machine is used for turning purpose only. Okay, so second is, as you can see here, the HMC machine. The spindle is horizontal. Okay, and this is a pallet. This pallet can move easily on four sides, and you can do a machining at four sides. Okay, and this one is HMC, VMC machine. The spindle is vertical. Okay, this is pallet X, then Y, and then this is Z. This is a construction view of machines inside. If you see, the machines having a panel always, but this is a open end machine. Okay, this is HMC, this is turning, and this fourth one is a turn mill machines. Okay, these machines can turn, this machine can do the operation of HMC as well as VMC also. It means this is a combination of all three types. Okay, this shaft can turn easily and can mill also. As you can see, these are the tool holders like HMC and VMC. Okay friends, so I just explained you in brief that these three kinds of CNC machines we normally use in machining centers. So you don't if you don't have a knowledge about the difference between this type of machines, when you go for the machine selection, you should know which type of machine you will use for the machining purpose. Okay friends, I hope you understood this very well. If you think that our videos are very helpful to you, then please share with your friends so that it can reach to the more peoples, and we will try to make more videos for you. Okay friends, and this is my motivation. If you share the videos, if you are new to the channel, you will get a lot of videos on my channel. Okay, you can maybe subscribe to us so that it will be helpful for me also to make new videos. Thank you friends. See you with the next video. This is a class 1 video. Okay, in English language. We will go through the whole course one by one. Maybe up to plus 200 videos will be upcoming. Okay, we will see one by one each and every topic in detail for HMC and VMC programming and operating. We'll see how it goes. Okay, until now, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Thank you very much.